What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create your countdown YouTube intro. So in your home page, open a new design and type YouTube intro. Now we will need a sound effect, countdown sound effect. So to find the countdown sound effect, we will go to YouTube and download the countdown sound effect. Now when you are already in YouTube, just type countdown sound effect, no copyright. And this is the sound effect that we will use in this tutorial. So click the video. Now under the video you will see share button, like, dislike, share and save. Click share and then the window will pop up and you will see copy. Just copy the link and go to Google and type mp3 download. There are tons of websites on the Google that can help you to download mp3 or mp4, but this is one I am usually using to download my stuffs on YouTube. So just click this type mp3 download and you download your sounds. I already downloaded mine, so this is the one I downloaded and I have it here in download. Now your file will save in the download in your computer. So go back to Canva and then go to uploads. At the top left side, at the left sidebar, you will see uploads. From template, elements and uploads. From there you click upload media and then you will choose your file in the folder that you save in your computer. So I save my file in downloads. So this is the sound effect that I downloaded from YouTube. So click that file and then open, and it will automatically upload to your Canva, and then your video will be saved. Your sound effect will be saved under audio. You will see images, videos and audio. Okay, so your sound effect will be saved here. It is one countdown. Okay, now another thing we will need in this tutorial also is go to elements and type countdown. Now from there you will see all photos, graphics, videos and audio. Now we are interested in videos, so the short video that we will use for our YouTube intro, countdown YouTube intro, is in videos. If you click all, it will show everything like graphics, pictures and videos. So we don't want that, we want video only. So just click videos and then it will show you tons of countdown videos, but what we will choose is this one, 12 seconds. This is a pro, so if you have a free account you cannot use this one. This is a pro. If you have Canva Pro, you will use this video. So you can drag and drop, or you just click it and it will automatically add to your canvas. Now let me show you some tricks. You can go to the angle of this video and you can resize it, or you can right click and then the window will pop up and you will see copy, paste, delete, animate, comment, and the below you will see set video as background. Just click that one and then okay. So from here we need another page. So how to create page? You will you see this three dots. When you click these three dots, you will see delete page, duplicate page and add page or add note. So you can click add page, or at the right side you will see add page. You can click add page. Now another video that we will need for this tutorial is electric shock, and that one we will place it at the beginning of the video. So go to elements and then type electric shock beam. I already searched electric shock beam, so you will see in my history here. Now click videos and then you will find it at the first row. Now click that video and then it will be added to your canvas, and then resize it. Now this video will be placed at the beginning of the video. Now let me show you something, how to reposition your page. Drag and drop. Okay. Now we shuffle the video, so the second video that we choose is already in front in the beginning, and then now the countdown video is at the second. So now let's select the sound effect, and then now you can drag and drop, or you just click it and then it will add it to your timeline. So the sound effect is short. Now what we are going to do is we will be working on the timing of this video so that it will in line with the sound effect. Now when you click this video, you will see the timer at that top left side. You will see scissors icon, crop, flip, animation. You see the mouse? Okay, from there you click. This is the other way you can edit the timing of the video. The other way is from the video at the bottom, you will see the bar. Now you will see 6 seconds and 12 seconds. If you click that 6 seconds, it will automatically show you the timing at the top. Now from there you can highlight it, and then you can insert that timing, like if you want it to 2 seconds or 1 second, is up to you, but for this video I will go for 2 seconds. And then let's delete this one. Okay, so the transition, I want to add some transition in between these two videos. So to add transition, you will click this add icon in the middle, plus sign. Click that one, and then you see at the top you will see plus sign. That means if you click that plus sign at the top, you will add a new page. If you click that bottom one, you will see add transition. Click that bottom one. Now you have transition here. Now the transition that I use in this video, in this YouTube intro, is cycle wipe. This one. Now when you click that one, it's already added to your video, so it's up to you. If you want to select in, it will be like cycle in or cycle out. It's up to you, but for this video I just stay with the default, which is in. You can play around with the timing of the transition here, but let's go and look at the video first. So let's check this video. The timing of this video, these two video, must be in line with the sound. So click this play icon and then the video will play. Not too bad. I see like it's little bit slow, the video. Now we want to add something so that you see this, you see the black background. We want to add something at the background so that this black will be, like at least something, make it look nice. Okay, so to do that, go to elements and type digital. Go to videos, scroll down, and you see this is a pro element. So if you have a if you are using free account, you cannot use this. So select this video and it will be added to your canvas. Now we need to detach the video at the background so that we can add this one at the background, because if we will add this video straight to the background, it will be, this video will be disappear. So to do that, right click, left click on the background video and then right click, and then at the bottom of the window pop-up you will see detach video from background, and then place the blue one at the back, and then now resize the front video by clicking the angles and then resize it. Okay, fix the position at least. And now we still cannot see the background. The background is still black. To do that, click the video in the front, and then at the top left side, at the top right side, you will see this. You can also adjust the sounds, the position, sounds, and transition. We are going to minimize the transition to 50%. Right there. Now you see the background show up. Okay, let's play the video again. Cool. Now there's something wrong. The video at the background is 15 seconds. So we need to resize the video at the background to exactly 12 seconds, same as the video in front of the canvas. Now you have to move this the first video aside, and then click the background video and go to the timing section and type 12 seconds. Press enter, and now let's try again. So you see the video is equivalent with the sound. Let's try again. Now there's something wrong here. We want the sound should be exactly same with the countdown. So let's try this video. 12. Okay, let's check the transition. Now the transition is at the 0.5. Let's try 0.4. Okay, let's play the video. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, let's play again. Now let me show you one more thing. If you want to adjust the sound effect, like the volume is too high or the volume is too low, you can click the audio below, and you will see the 3 dots here. Now when you click the 3 dots, you will see delete, duplicate, volume, audio effects, and adjust. Now if the audio is too long, and if you want to cut it short, you can use this adjust. Click this adjust, and you can drag the audio until you find the right position. Now if you want to adjust the audio, like if you want to add fade in or fade out, at the beginning and the end of the audio, you will click this one. There's volume here. You want to duplicate or delete, everything is here. Great. So guys, there you have it. Now if you want to download this video, we'll go to top right side and you will see share button there. When you click the share button, you will see at the bottom you will see download. Click download, and then it's already like default setting, it's already MP4 video, so just click download. If you want to download it like GIF, you can also choose GIF here, but for this tutorial we want to download it as MP4, so yes. Okay, click download and your video will be downloaded to your desktop as MP4 file. So guys, there you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you still don't understand the process on how to create this YouTube intro, please leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible, or maybe I will create another tutorial for the how to create YouTube intro. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe to my channel.